What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. Hope you are having a great day, great night. Listen, we needed a quick meal tonight. It's late. We have a leftover brisket. So what are we going to do with it? Well, we're going to make some brisket pot pie. Stay tuned. All right, so we've got ourselves 2 celery stalks here. Cut off the ends. I'm just going to slice it fairly thin, not too thin. All right. Now we're going to take our onion. We want to take about a half of a good sized sweet onion. All right, we're gonna dice that up nice. Cool. Looks good. Do a little bit more onion on this. So both of our pot pies are going to have onion, only one's going to have the celery. So we're going to keep these separate. Cool. We're going to take the onion only and we're going to throw it into a pot. Actually, throw it into a pot. Chop up just a little bit of jalapeno to add in there as well. All right. We're going to de-seed it. Throw some The jalapeno in here. Leave some over here. All right. Take another pot. We're going to add the onions and celery to this pot. Beautiful. Add a little bit more celery to this one. Finish that piece off. Beautiful. Now, we are going to take our, we're going to take a little bit of butter. We're going to add it to both of these pots. Cook it down just a little bit. Then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients in. Let's see. All right. Take about a, I don't know, teaspoon of one, two teaspoons in the other. Let these cook down. We're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. All right, so we have the corn, the onions, the jalapeno here, mixed with a little bit of cream of mushroom soup. Mix that up. Here we have corn, peas, carrots, onions, celery, mix in with the cream of mushroom soup. Now we're going to add some broccoli cheddar soup. To this as well. Add a cup of that. And a cup in here. Beautiful. Mix that up nice. Whoop. And splash it on yourself. Cool. Cool. All right, we're gonna let this heat up a little bit longer and then start putting in our brisket. All right, so we got these cooking up nice. Now we're gonna add our brisket. And all we did was we took our larger brisket and we just chopped it up. We're gonna throw our brisket right in. There we go. Awesome. Let's mix this up. And we'll let it cook. All right, we've got the brisket in. It's mixed up real nice. Now we are going to put it into the pie crusts. All right, we have our pie crust. We're just going to fill that up. with our mixture. Awesome. Now we're going to top it. All right, pie is mixed. Pie crust is on. Look at that beauty. Awesome. Now we're going to throw it in the oven, 450. Second one's on, or second one's wrapped up rather. Both are going in. And now we play the waiting game. All right, they're out of the oven, looking nice and golden. Ooh, baby. All right, let's cut in and see. Ooh, nice flaky crust. Ooh, yeah. Forgot half of it in here. There we go. Beautiful. Next, that's a better slice. All right, for mine, I threw a dollop of whipped cream and top it off with our jalapenos.